What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We are heading back to MX191 for today's vlog, but I know you guys are going to scream at me, but we just got the bike back from my suspension tech. So just to kind of feel and test the bike out, we're going to go back to 191 because it's a good, safe track, and it's my home track. I like 191. So we're going to head on the road. I'm not going to waste any more time. So next time you see me, either we're going to be on the bike or we're going to be unloading. I'll see y'all then. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we have made it. And the track looks incredible. Just from getting here, it is incredible. The ruts are going to form so good today. With the amount of rain that we have gotten, the ruts are going to form. They're going to form so well. It's going to be perfect. The lines are going to build in amazingly. So I'm going to get unloaded. That way we can hit the track because I'm ready to ride. So next time you see me, guys, we're going to be getting out on the track. Alrighty, everyone. Oh wow, that's a good way to start your day. We're ready to finally go out. It's been forever. Ready to feel it out, go do our sight lap. Don't be sloppy today. Holy crap! We're just about went over the bars. Oh my. Yeah, I don't know if I'm ever gonna hit this. I'll be honest. That's a far leap. Oh wow. Okay. Added a double here. That's nice. Slot fest. It's so neat. That's way too far for me to try that. Sorry to disappoint all y'all, but I'm not hitting that. bike is really good. It's just, it's gonna break down pretty good. But yeah, I'm not hitting this. Trying to, I mean, I would definitely know I have the run up for it, but that's just, for me, y'all, that is way too far. So we're not gonna die today. Say it once, I'll say it again. The track is breaking down. Well, I only did one moto. It's gonna break down really well. But so far, the suspension is doing really well. Huge shout out to Carl from B3 Performance. Guy kills it every single time. I'm gonna put his stuff down in the description below. You guys go give him some love, because he does really good stuff. And the bike feels really good. So I'm gonna take a quick break, and then we're gonna get out, probably do another moto, and then we'll probably head over to the yard and run probably a long moto on there. So I'll see y'all. Alrighty, everybody. Heading back out, doing another moto. That's not 3 laps, you know, but hopefully some lines have built in at least a little bit, because I don't know. But a few people are out there just a minute ago, so hopefully some lines built in, but we're gonna find out. So let's go find out. Thought I was gonna accidentally triple the one. The amount of room in the back of my helmet. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the last moto I'm filming for the day. I'm probably gonna ride more, but as for filming wise, this is it. The downside of that trip, we got a little, I like almost forgot how to brake. Those jumps are so fun to scrub. Pockets are getting pretty rutted at the bottom, so that's the run I'm trying to speak. So I have to start really being careful going through there so we don't get a kicker. But this run's really good now. It's really fun. When you learn ruts, they become really fun. do the whole turn. That trip was so fun. Oh, we went over the turn. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. And always guys, remember to do your sight lap. Take care.